Hi there, my name is Sarah Camarillo and I'm here today to give you an honest video review on a self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop. It's hands-free and self-emptying up to 60 days. I love that it comes with spare accessories. It's super easy to set up. All you need to do is download the app and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Once your vacuum is done cleaning, it will self-empty into this dustbin. Super easy install, just snap on your little brush pieces. These quickly help remove pet hair and dust. Pull up your app and connect your vacuum to your Wi-Fi. This navigation will accurately identify the layout of your home and build up to 5 maps. Make sure your filter is installed correctly and you add water before mopping. You can use the Smart Life app to monitor your cleaning route, set cleaning schedules, specify different cleaning settings for different rooms, set up no-go zones, and use the pin to go feature to direct it to